So, right, we have let here and also bar. Bar, it's like its name says, it's a Bible. So if you are going to change the value, the values, you need to declare like a let a bar, and let its contents. So it means that it like a fixed values that you won't change. So here is an example. So when you declare bar, you can give variable also. You can give the bar keywords. You can type bar keyword, and also the name, the variable, also the assignment values here, and also the flow. It can be enter numbers, or it can be a string, right? Whatever the value that you want. You can also have this the constants for let, right? So you can see let here, and you can also assign. So it's a very easy way to do it. Yeah, it's so similar to another language. Let you can define like this and put the name that you want. Um, yeah, it's some example I can give you as a task if you want to do it. It's it's just to check what's going on with this, right? So here you have the bar age with its name, right? And then uh, initiate. You can initiate, later. And here you have a bar options. It's just two different way to do it for volumes, string, double, and int, right? You have all those values here. So we have also type annotation and type inference. So it means that if you don't want to declare which type, the Swift know what kind of uh, type of value you are assigning. So um, if you do like this, for example, num, ¿verdad? No, so you have here no, it's like this. But if you says something like this, it's the same, because they know that the that this type of value is a double, right? So it's the same things. Yeah, it's a double here, and also it's a double here, because the compiler assume that that you are that you want to use that kind of values. The same for boolean, string, etc. So okay, we can continue seeing that you can. So suppose that you have here this option. So suppose that you have let here, you can run that code. But if you try to change the value, right, it says some error. Yeah, you can do it, because you need to change the value. Yep. So yeah, we use it. And yeah, in the case of a string, you can use just this quote mark. Yep, quotation mark, and just to say that. Yep. In a string, you have this one also. You have those values that are a string to store characters. You have also int, you have also double and bool, right? Yeah, in this case, you are going to, it's going to assume that it was like a string, right? So I can motivate you to do this exercise if you want. It's it's important to learn this one as a task, right? And here it is another way to assign values. So suppose I'm going to remove this. So if you have something that it's called like a string, right? And some string have some value like 1, and you want to add 2, right? You assign like a bar, and then you are going to print it, right? You can assume values, but no like a inter integer. You are like adding, more values. So yeah, we have also interpolations here. The interpolations, it is just like a focus in a specific way that that you can like declare with it without specify the the type, right? You have this one. Here is another way to print value. For example, we are talking about this. You can put like this, right? Yeah, and if you want to say this is a string, right? You can put the values here. Yep. Another way to print it. Yep. Um, and yeah, that's the way. Very quickly, we here have some question, very quick question. I thought that it's called protocols. Yeah, we can learn about protocols later. We have also variables are also type. It's no just a keywords, right? Or where you can say value. So in this charter, we learn regarding operators, bar, in different kind of things, and also expression. So I'm going to give you this task so you can use and also do at home. Yep. And I hope that it was useful for you. So in the next charter, we're going to use and also talk about collections and controlling.